Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. In today's video, I'll be talking about the Google Software Application Development Apprenticeship Program. This is for the year 2027. So it's going to start from March 2027. So the location for this job role or this apprenticeship can be Bengaluru or Hyderabad or wherever they have their office locations in. So this apprenticeship is intended for individuals who have a keen interest and they want to learn and develop entry level technical and professional skills in the field of software development. So if you have graduated in any SWE related field, any software engineering related field, and you have interest towards this, then this role is a perfect opportunity for you. So there are certain rules that they have. This apprenticeship is not a full-time permanent opportunity. This is a 12 months apprenticeship program, and this is open to all recent graduates or individuals with a minimum work experience are also allowed to join. And they are eligible to apply. The ones who get selected, of course, they are eligible to apply for any Google role only in the last 3 months of your apprenticeship program. Once onboarded, you won't be allowed to transfer your location, okay? And also, this is not a role that qualifies for immigration sponsorship. When you're applying, make sure to apply with your resume, which has updated information not just about your skills and experiences and project work, but also clearly mention out the year of graduation. That is something they have specifically mentioned, right? And the last date to apply for this program is 3rd of August 2026. Okay, so there are some minimum qualifications that they require you to have. The first of them being a recent bachelor's or master's degree in an engineering or related technical field, less than 1 year of experience in software application development, and programming experience in at least one coding language is a must. Apart from that, for preferred qualifications, Google would like you to have some experience using the Google Workspace or a similar suite of productivity tools, some experience in thinking critically, and some problem solving skills. That is a must. Ability to learn programming languages based on your project requirements. So basically, you need to be open to learn any kind of skill which you didn't have before. You should be adapting. This goes without saying for any team you're getting into. You should be able to navigate through ambiguous tasks, find out solutions which are not really defined from before. You should be having excellent communication, organizational skills. These are some things that go without saying, and you also develop through the progress of your career. So the hiring process that is involved for the apprenticeship program, it has multiple rounds. Once you will submit your application, it will be going through an ATS tracker make sure your ATS score is good enough before you're applying. So that will be your initial shortlisting. Once you're able to get through this round, you will be sitting for an online assessment on the HackerOath platform that will be conducted for about 90 minutes. They'll be asking you 2 specific questions. The questions can be from arrays or strings. Make sure you're able to crack all the test cases that they are providing you with. That adds to your chances of getting shortlisted for the next rounds. Now, after you get shortlisted through this round, you will be receiving a recruiter call. So in this call, don't get nervous. This is not gonna affect your future interviews. So here the recruiter will be asking you to introduce yourself, to talk about what skill sets or what experiences you've had in the past, One specific question that carries importance is how many questions you've solved on lead code. So based on that, you might get shortlisted, or you may be missing out on your next interview rounds. So yeah, so how many lead code questions you've solved, and how well do you rate yourself when it comes to DSA. So once you get through your recruiter's call, they will be scheduling an interview with you for your technical testing your technical skill set. So your first interview will be based on DSA. They'll be asking you only one question in the entire duration of your interview. You'll have to code in their Google Docs. You won't be provided with any IDE to write your code. So you'll have to explain your approach first with the best possible time and space complexity that you can think of, and then you will have to write your solution. So once you get through your first technical interview, if they are satisfied or if they want to evaluate you further, they will be asking you to join your second technical interview. And this number of interviews, it varies based on the performance of the candidate. If they think they want you to be evaluated further, they will keep on interviewing you. The number of interviews can go up to 4 or 5, and the average number of days spent to get Google job offer is 55 days. So this can take time. But yes, this is their format of hiring process. At the end, they do also conduct a Googliness round, which is to find out what specific areas interest you, how motivated you are to join their specific teams. So this is the entire hiring process that Google generally follows for their technical roles. So go ahead and apply before 3rd of August. The application link is in the description of my video. Go ahead, apply, and if you guys are like my content, finding it useful, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot. I do post quite frequently on companies hiring for job roles, internships, especially for college students. So please subscribe to my channel, and hope you guys are having a great day. See you in my next video.